NSX-T architecture and key features. VMware NSX-T is a software-defined networking SDN and security platform designed for multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments. It provides networking, security, automation, and visibility across VMware vSphere, Kubernetes, and public clouds like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. In this lesson, we will explore NSX-T architecture and its core components, how NSX-T enables networking and security in the cloud, key features and benefits of NSX-T. Understanding NSX-T architecture. Unlike traditional networking, which relies on physical routers, switches, and firewalls, NSX-T virtualizes these functions into software-defined components. This allows businesses to automate, scale, and secure networks dynamically. The NSX-T architecture consists of the following core components. One NSX-T manager, the central control plane. The NSX-T Manager is the centralized UI and API-driven management platform for configuring and monitoring NSX-T. It provides network provisioning, security policies, and analytics for all NSX-T components. Admins can manage network configurations via the web interface, API, or automation tools like Terraform and Ansible. Two NSX-T transport zones defining network boundaries. A transport zone defines which compute hosts, ESXi, KVM, or bare metal, participate in the NSX-T network. It separates overlay networks, VXLAN Geneve, from VLAN-backed networks, ensuring flexibility in cloud and on-premises deployments. 3 NSX-T logical switching, replacing VLANs. Logical switches segments replace traditional VLANs, enabling scalable, distributed networking across multiple cloud environments. NSX-T uses overlay networks with Geneve encapsulation, eliminating the limitations of traditional VLAN-based networking. 4 NSX-T routing, tiered routing for scalability. NSX-T uses a two-tiered routing model. Tier 0 gateway connects the NSX-T network to external networks and the Internet. Tier 1 gateway handles internal routing between workloads and application tiers. This model improves scalability, fault tolerance, and simplifies multi-cloud networking. 5 NSX-T Distributed Firewall DFW Microsegmentation Security. The Distributed Firewall DFW enforces security policies at the VM level rather than at the perimeter. With microsegmentation, NSX-T blocks lateral movement of threats between workloads, reducing security risks. Security policies can be applied based on IP, VM attributes, identity, or application behavior. 6 NSX-T Edge Nodes Advanced Network Services. Edge nodes provide NAT, VPN, load balancing, and firewall services for applications in the cloud. They act as the bridge between NSX-T networks and external environments, improving network efficiency and security. Key features and benefits of NSX-T. NSX-T offers enterprise-grade networking and security capabilities across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Let's look at some of the key features. 1 software-defined networking SDN for multi-cloud eliminates dependence on physical network hardware, enabling automation and agility. Supports VMware vSphere, bare metal servers, and Kubernetes. Provides consistent networking across private and public clouds. 2 Microsegmentation and zero trust security. Enforces granular security policies at the VM, container, or workload level. Implements zero trust security by restricting unauthorized communication. Protects against east-west threats with Layer 7 security controls. 3 Advanced load balancing and VPN capabilities. Built-in L4-L7 load balancer optimizes application performance. Supports IPsec VPN and SSL VPN for secure remote connectivity. 4 Automation and API-driven network management. Fully programmable via REST APIs, Terraform, and Ansible. Enables auto-scaling of networks and security policies. Integrates with VMware Aria Automation for policy-based network provisioning. 5 Real-time traffic monitoring and analytics. Provides deep visibility into network traffic using VMware NSX intelligence. Uses AI-powered analytics to detect security threats and optimize performance. Supports network flow monitoring, packet tracing, and compliance reporting. Use cases for NSX-T in VMware Cloud. 1 Hybrid and multi-cloud networking. NSX-T enables seamless networking across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and on-premises data centers. 2. Security and compliance ensures workloads comply with PCI DSS, HIPAA, GDPR, and other security standards. 3. Kubernetes networking provides container networking and security for Kubernetes clusters. 4. Disaster recovery and business continuity ensures workloads remain protected and accessible during outages. 5. Zero Trust security implementation enforces strict security policies at the workload level. Final thoughts. VMware NSX-T is a game changer for modern networking and security, providing businesses with flexibility, automation, and enhanced security across multi-cloud environments. By mastering NSX-T's architecture, switching, routing, and security capabilities, organizations can future-proof their cloud networking strategy. Let's continue.